The Camcorder. Written by Roderick Hunt and beautifully illustrated by Alex Brichta. Dad bought a camcorder. The children had a race. Dad made a video.
Smile, everyone, said Dad.
Dad went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Wilma. It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad showed Wilma the camcorder. "It's easy," he said. Wilma made the video. "It's easy," she said. "Smile, please," said Wilf. The children watched the race. They saw the sports day. They looked at Joe's wedding. They laughed at Wilma's video. They went to the tree house. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad let her use a camcorder. Wilma made the video. She saw 2 men. They were burglars. The burglars were running away. Wilma made a video of them. "Call the police," she shouted. Dad got the phone. He phoned the police. Wilma got the burglars on video. The police came. They looked at the video. "Well done," they said. The police caught the burglars. "Thanks to Wilma," said Dad. I hope you enjoyed this reader. Like, share and subscribe to Arso Academy and not forget to hit the bell.